Namaste. I, Chetna, the literary captain of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of Saint Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 24th March 2022. Firstly, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher, Acharya Sunil Gautam, to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते चेतना। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज चैत्र माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की सप्तमी तिथि है, अर्थात अष्टमी अथवा शीतलाष्टमी कल है। आज का नक्षत्र ज्येष्ठा, आज का योग सिद्धि है। प्रविष्टि की बात करें तो आज चैत्र माह के 11 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह शव्वान की आज 18 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I request you all to cover your heads, close your eyes, and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes be ready for prayer.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरभौ निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच। सोचे सोच न होवई जे सोचे लखवार चुप्पे चुप न होवई जे लाए रहा लिवतार भुखिया भुख न उतरी जे बन्ना पुरिया पार सह सियाणपा लख होए तां इक न चले नाल किव सचियारा होइए किव कूड़े टुटे पार हुक्म रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया ना हुक्मी होवन आकार हुक्म न कहिया जाए हुक्मी होवन जी हुक्म मिले वड्याई हुक्मी उत्तम नीच हुक्म लिख दुख सुख पाइए इक ना हुक्मी बख्शीश एक हुक्मे सदा पवाइए, हुक्मे अंदर सबको, बाहर हुक्म न कोए। नानक हुक्मे जे बुझे, ताहू मैं कहे न कोए।
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Be ready for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Now it's time to chant shlokas from Srimad Bhagwat Geeta, which you can see on your screen. So I request you all to listen carefully and speak together with our Sanskrit teacher.
मत्तः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय। मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव। तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु मामनुस्मरयुध्य च। मयि अर्पितमनो बुद्धिर्मामे वैश्यस्य संशयम्। मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरम्। हेतूनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्विपरिवर्तते। महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा। मद्भावा मानसा जाता येषां लोक इमा प्रजा। दिवि सूर्यसहस्रस्य भवेद्युगपदुत्थिता। यदि भासदृशी सा स्यात् भासस्तस्य महात्मनः। संनियम्येन्द्रियग्रामं सर्वत्र समबुद्धय। ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रता।
Now I would like to invite Bhavika Jain of +1 Medical to tell us about night flowering jasmine. Namaste Bhavika.
Namaste. I Bhavika Jain, student of +1 Science from Saint Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Pinjore. Today in the series of the introduction of the plants present in the school campus is going to make you familiar with the night flowering jasmine plant and its uses. In Hindi, it is called as Parijat or Harshringar. Medicinal uses of the various parts of Parijat plant, from leaves to the roots. The whole Parijat plant is very useful for the various healing properties. It is known to improve the function of insulin and reduces the symptoms of diabetes. Thus, it can be included in your diabetes diet plan. Parijat leaves. In Ayurveda, Parijat leaves has been used to treat a different kind of fevers, cough, arthritis, worm infestation, etc. The leaf juice is bitter and works as tonic. The kadha or the decoction is excellent for the arthritis, constipation and worm infestation. Parijat flowers. These small aromatic white flowers work wonderfully for the gastric complaints and the respiratory complaints. Parijat stem. Parijat stem powder is very good to treat joint pain and malaria. Health benefits of Parijat. Parijat is a wonderful plant in Ayurveda, particularly known for its enormous health benefits. Due to its broad spectrum medicinal properties, it has become a matter of interest for research. This antioxidant medicinal plant has numerous health benefits from alleviating pain to reducing fever. Its health benefits includes treatment of various types of fever, arthritic knee pain, sciatica and malaria. It has anti-allergic, antiviral and antibacterial properties. It acts as immunity booster and control diabetes. Apart from the above benefits, Parijat also works great in the following conditions: laxative, best skin healing properties, manages anxiety, helps to relieve menstrual cramps, prevent dental issues, cures digestive problems such as hyperacidity, nausea, etc. Get rid of worm infestations. I hope you find this information knowledgeable. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Bhavika. Today is World Tuberculosis Day. To tell us more about it, I would like to invite Swati Gill of class 9th A. Namaste, Swati.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Swati Gill of class 9th B from St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today, I am going to tell you about World Tuberculosis Day. World Tuberculosis Day is observed on 24 March each year. This day is also known as World TB Day. It is designed to build awareness about the global epidemic of TB and efforts to eliminate the disease. World TB Day is one of 11 official global public health campaigns marked by the WHO. The theme of World TB Day 2022, Invest to End TB, Save Lives, conveys the urgent need to invest resources to ramp up the fight against TB and achieve the commitments to end TB made by global leaders. In year 1882, Dr. Robert Koch announced that he had discovered the bacterium that causes TB, which opened the ways towards diagnosing and curing this disease. March 24 is marked as World Tuberculosis Day to raise public awareness about the devastating health, social, and economic consequences of TB and to step up efforts to end the global TB epidemic. India's National Tuberculosis Elimination Program. This program performs TB testing of person and it also provides appropriate therapy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Swati. Now, I would like to invite Vidita of class 9 to share a motivational thought of Swami Vivekananda. Namaste, Vidita.
Namaste, I am Vidita. Today I am going to share the thought of Swami Vivekananda with you. Hope you will definitely think about this. The thought is as follows: youth is someone who has power in their hands, speed in their movement, energy in their heart, and dream in their eyes. I repeat my thought. Youth is someone who have power in their hands, speed in their movement, energy in their heart, and dream in their eyes. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Vidita. Now it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Tamanna Kanojia of 8B and Piyush Tilwalia of 1st B. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you all for showering your blessings. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.